Hey everyone, today I've got something honest to say. And I'm really pissed off about where we are now. There was a time when social media was a place where quality content got attention on its own, where your talent and organic growth were enough. But now everything revolves solely around money. Today it's inevitable. You have to pay just to be seen. The algorithms no longer favor genuine users and truly good content. They only care about cash. There's no more magic in organic reach. Instead, it all comes down to your budget, which is a real betrayal of what social networks once stood for. We used to look like we were building bridges to real communities, but now we're just players in a profit-driven game. If you want to stand out and be recognized, you have to face the fact that everything has turned into a money mechanic. This isn't what we fell in love with about the digital world when social media was about authenticity, not just advertising. Thanks for listening to this honest message.